Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my 2020 college apartment room tour. I'm not going to do my kitchen and living room. I'm just going to do my bedroom, bathroom, closet, just because we never really use our kitchen and living room because two of my roommates I don't really know, so yeah. So anyway, so I'm always in my room. I'm also not going to do my roommates' rooms because that's invasive and kind of weird. Whatever. So, with that being said, I also am going to add clips of when I moved in August. I know, I'm a lazy bitch, but it's fine. I moved in August, and it's now January, and I'm finally filming this video, which is ridiculous. I know. Attack me if you want, it's fine, whatever. But I've changed it like 6 times, and so I think I finally have my room like the way that I want it. So that's why I chose now to do this. So yeah, I'm going to start with me leaving Virginia, coming to North Carolina, and then I'm going to do like move-in day, and then we'll get to my actual room tour. Okay? See you in a minute. Everyone, so already here. I didn't film anything yesterday because I left at 5:30 in the morning and it was dark, and my dad would have thought that was really weird. So whatever, here I am. I am in Charlotte. I just got here to my apartment complex, and this is my car. Hello, this is it. Homegirl stressed. I move in like 10 minutes, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Hello everyone. So, moved in at 10 this morning. It's now like 6-ish, maybe? Sun's going down, so maybe later. I don't know. Anyways, I unpacked a lot. Then I went on a date, so unpacking did not last very long. I am currently unpacking more, and I have to build stuff. We'll see how that goes, but I did get a lot unpacked, so that's good. But here is my room as of right now. Nothing is on the walls. My bed is sort of done. There's stuff everywhere. My desk kind of looks cute, like the plants and all. I mean, whatever. I've got like my pictures on the floor. My pupper on the floor. My closet's sort of done. I took a shower, so I don't have a towel rack yet. I did all this, I guess. And then bathroom is not unpacked either. But, come here. So, I will finish unpacking and like update you later.
I'm building.
Here's my storage cube. Getting there. Honestly, this is such better quality than I thought it was gonna be. I got the dark wood one to match all my furniture and stuff. I'm almost done. Okay, congratulations. You've made it to the point in the video where I actually show you my room. So, with that being said, when you walk into my door, my bed is in front of the door, if you couldn't tell. I actually got this comforter, this white comforter, from Target. It was literally $20 on Black Friday. Hence the reason I've changed my room about 6 times. Anyways, then I also have this pink Kate Spade blanket that I got from, I want to say, TJ Maxx, maybe? anyways, then I also have this brown blanket that I got from Target. And then on my bed I have some holiday dog sheets that I haven't changed yet. They're, I don't know where they came from, but my mom bought me these. They're super cute. Look at how cute that is. Oh. Anyways, then these are the pillow shams that came with the comforter, and then these my mom sent me. They used to be on her couch and now they're on my bed. Good stuff. Also, that is from my mom too, I think. Anyways, I used to have fairy lights on my bed, but they broke and I just haven't put new ones back on. So that's that on that. Also, over in this corner, I have a lamp that I got off of Amazon. It's kind of like a tripod lamp, like it, you know, to build it. So yeah, I built that, y'all. I built that. And then on this side of my bed, I have this deer antler thing that my dad built me on my wall. It's super cute. And then I have my bedside table, which, excuse the mess, so sorry, but I put my textbooks down here just because they're like right here when I do my homework and stuff. And then I have like some cute stuff from my parents, and then a candle, and then I have these two bins. I think this one has just like random stuff in it, and then this one has like some of my extra makeup palettes and stuff in it. So yeah, that's my side table. And then my book bag I always put there just because it's out of the way. I got this at IKEA. This took me forever to put up because you have to like measure in between each picture. That is so tedious. I finally got it up probably last month, and it looks so good. Look at these pictures. I love them. So yeah, this was probably like 70 bucks at IKEA maybe. I don't know, but it turned out so nice. Then in front of my bed, I have my dresser, my mini fridge, my printer, and my TV. I actually had a mini fridge in my dorm last year, and so I just brought it here so I didn't have to like share a fridge with 4 other people. I just put all my stuff in here, unless it's like freezer stuff, and I obviously put that out there, but yeah. I also have my printer in here, and then my dresser. This came with my apartment actually, but I hate dressers, but you know, I have it anyways. What you gonna do about it? Then I also have some like storage stuff down here, and then a rug that I used to have on the floor, but I think I'm gonna save it for our apartment next year and put that in the floor there. Then under here, I have my PlayStation, like some old DVDs and stuff. And then I have my TV. And I also have like the best smelling candle ever. TJ Maxx candles are the shit. Then over here on this side of my door, I have my full-length mirror that my mom gave me from her old house. I also have like some beauty stuff down here on the floor. My makeup I always shove like behind my mirror and stuff. And then I have this from my dorm last year. I always thought it was super cute, and it just kind of goes with the colors. I don't know. It's cute. And then I just put my my car keys on the back of my door, so when I walk out, I like don't ever forget them. Then on this wall, I have my picture wall. I actually filmed a video putting this together, or I'm going to, I guess. Yeah, I put this up literally last week, and it turned out so cute. So cute. These are all my friends and family, and you know, all that good stuff, and my pupper. Yeah, so anyways, I will try and post that video soon. Okay, and then over here I have my tree. I normally name all my plants, but he doesn't have a name yet, so if you have any ideas, you know, good stuff. I think it's super cute. I got him at IKEA. I think it was like 25 bucks maybe, but I thought he was super cute. I got him a friend. He's so cute. It's a little gnome, and he has a little bird on his hand. I think, what should we name him, guys? The gnome needs a name, and the tree needs a name. Okay, I need ideas. Anyways, I also got this, like, it's not a planter, it's literally just a bin that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was literally like $10 maybe. So like my whole tree aesthetic over here was like maybe 30 bucks. Minus the garden gnome. I don't know how much he was. Then over here is like my favorite area in my room. It's so cute and I like to sit in windows and stuff. So my mom actually got me this chair. It's like one of those Papasan chairs. I think she got it off of Wayfair. I don't know, but I chose the black one because I used to have a black comforter. But obviously I now have a white one, so you know, white would have gotten kind of dirty, so I'm kind of glad I got a black. But I also have these pillows from TJ Maxx and then this like throw pillow, or throw blanket, sorry, from TJ Maxx on it too, and I just like sit in this window all the time. It's good stuff. Then I have my tree. That's Patricia. Anyways, I also have my wall calendar over here, and then my lamp and Petunia the orchid. Then I have this little like squirrel lamp. My aunt got me this like forever ago, and literally at night it glows. You can't even like see it. See, he glows. Anyways, our little squirrel friend over here glows, so that was the moral of that story. Then on my little shelf thing I have here, I have more plants. I think they're super cute. This one is Irvin, and Irvin and Patricia were my first plants, so they just stick together and, you know, grow in all their loveliness. Then this, my aunt got me. His name is Felice. On his name tag, it says like Felice La Midad or something. I don't even know. Then I have a mess. There's Play-Doh. That's the shit if you're a college student. Literally just like chill and play with some Play-Doh. You're welcome. Thank me later. Then my cousin got me this gnome. She got me this gnome, and oh my god, tell me this is not the cutest thing you've ever freaking seen. Then over here I just have this like aesthetically cute, like, I don't even know what you would call this. I just have empty bottles and then shot glasses that I get from like everywhere I go, and then like jars and candles and stuff. Then I have my like snack bin that I hide like all my snacks in. And then my school supply bin. It's so heavy, but there's just like binders and notebooks and stuff in there that like I don't use yet. Okay, then from my little window seat, you walk into my closet, and it's a disaster. So I put my desk, this thing, in my closet because I never use a desk. Like, who even, I don't know. So I put it under there just so it would be out of the way. And I put my shoes down here. I have so many shoes, like that's not even all of them. I have other ones like stuffed in this like leather thing down here. And then some at my boyfriend's house and some like everywhere. So, yeah, I have a shoe problem. Don't judge. Anyways, so then I have like all my clothes hung up, like coats, long sleeve shirts, jeans, extra pants, like skirts, like crazy shit, I guess. Then I put like my hats, purses, belts, all that stuff on another hanger just because. Then I just have like extra paper and like school supplies back here that don't fit in that bin that was on where my plants are. Then up top here I just have like extra stuff like trash bags, clocks, wipes, like just extra whatever stuff. Then like some purses, storage. This wig. I got this in like, New York. And she looking raggedy. She hasn't been worn in a hot minute. These are the best chips on the freaking planet. Okay, then for my last little bit, I have my bathroom. I got this rug from Ross. It's kind of like a pinkish, purpley-ishy, I don't know, color. And then I have this, like, I don't know, it's kind of like loose. I don't know what you call this. But it's a shower curtain that was in my mom's old apartment in Manhattan, and she just gave it to me, so here it is in Charlotte in this bathroom. Then I just have a pink towel to go with the pink rug, whatever. Toilet. Why would I need to introduce you to this? I don't know, but I just did. Then I have this medicine cabinet that came with the apartment. I just kind of hang my jewelry on it sometimes. Anyways, then I have my sink, and it's like dirty AF, so don't be screenshotting this. It's good. I'll clean it. Whatever. But then I have like my little toothbrush and toothpaste in this jar that I found at TJ Maxx. The head had broken and they put the bottom on clearance, and I just think it's so funny. Anyways, then I have masks, brush cleaner, you know, soap, and then sink, trash can. And then on this wall, I have this cute painting that my mom also got me. Can you tell, like, I have her entire old apartment and my room? Yeah, cool. In the corner over here, I have this little bookshelf that I got from IKEA. And I just have, like, my speaker. Then a towel, like, my towels go there, but they're kind of dirty now. I also have, like, lotion and then just, like, extra stuff, toilet paper, and more hand towels, but those don't really match my aesthetic we got going on here. So those are just extra, and then just, like, Windex, shampoo, stuff like that is down here, too. So this is my bathroom. It's not very big. Yeah, that about wraps up my apartment tour. I should also point out that I use a box of macaroni to hold my bathroom door open. Okay, so it's funny, I should mention, while I was filming this video, our apartment, like, maintenance guys who came to change our filters, like our air filters in our AC units, they walked in and knocked on the door, and so I had to go open it. And they come in my room to change my filter, and this man, whole ass, brings all 3 of the other guys in my room, and they're, like, astounded at this room. Why? I don't know, but apparently college kids are gross, and this is the best one they've seen on our apartment complex. Anyways, so yeah, that wraps up my apartment tour and me moving from Virginia to North Carolina, officially, sort of. Like, I'm here long term, so I guess it's official. But that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya!